I want to come on right now and give a big shout out to my manager, Taylor Helgeson. He goes by Lake Street Louie. My dog right there. We have amazing things coming in, from movies to TV shows, 100-day tour, recording an album with some of the best producers in the world, like actually. And check, what's up, brother? I do need a facial cleanse. I know. Here, is that better? But yeah, no. So, shout out to my boy right here.
What's up, y'all?
My manager. In the last 3 months, he's literally turned my whole life around. Just like he did when he helped me write the Love album. If it wasn't for him, it wouldn't exist. So, I'm lonely, got lost on my way to find you. I'm getting lost when I try to find you. Another one down. Hey, this was a good one. It went number 1 in 4 countries, and the country's on it.
I always love this one.
Shout out Morgan Matthews. Brian wrote all this, bro. I'll play you his first version. Bro, I'll put his version. I think it's better than mine. I was tired of fighting anyway. So shout out, spread the word. Make sure you guys follow. Alright. That's my management company right there. It's Girls Umbrella. So I want everybody right now, if you're real fans, follow my manager. We got a click, you know. Shout out to my boy Glico. Shout out to my boy Rocco. Shout out to my boy Jay Reeves. Shout out to the Brotherhood. Like, we out here. We're very protected, very safe. But I'm excited. So I'm excited. Oh, City of Dreams. Yo. Yeah. Yo. This is Brian. This is Brian's version of City of Dreams. But this is him singing.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
By the beat singer.
Look me in the eyes, tell me all these lies. What you see inside, wait, never mind. You were never mine. No, you were never mine. Lord boy, I'm in LA. Didn't know nobody. All alone in the city of dreams. Looking for the crossroads, ready to sell my soul. Lord, please forgive me.
Since you know my Escalade better than me, how do I go to categories on here?
Categories of songs?
Yeah.
I actually have a song.
Right here? The search button probably.
It's gotta be.
Yeah.
Oh, yep. And then you go down like this.
There's my playlist.
Playlist.
Go playlist?
Where does it say playlist? Oh, there it is. My content.
Artist? Why do I have nothing connected? I have nothing.
You were never mine. No, you were never mine. Lord boy, I'm never.
How are you doing that? With this?
Didn't know nobody.
Yep.
All alone in the city of dreams.
It's gotta be the search button. Sorry guys, this is like, tell them, isn't it like a fucking...
It's like a fucking spaceship.
Yeah.
Like trying to navigate this car. It's a
Browse,
spaceship.
artist, browse,
Oh my
albums.
God. It's no joke.
I was just there. That's bullshit.
on here.
Look,
Do you
see,
mind if I
I'm,
put
look,
this in?
look,
My
I'm
shit's
here.
like dead.
Yeah, yeah, I'm. Oh,
Go that music note and hit your phone. There's a screen where it just shows like the phones itself.
I know.
Where is that shit?
See, yours
Hold
is
on,
in
let me
there,
take
but
Bluetooth
mine's
off.
not.
Let me see if that like takes it away.
Well, if you're driving, it won't do it.
Alright, well we're like 2 blocks away from where we're going, so I'll let you program.
I want to leave right now with the McLaren. Bro, I'll trade this in for it.
Dude, I'm telling you, I got you. Just let me work on it, man.
Would you mind if I traded this in for it?
For a McLaren? The fuck you mean I mind? How could you mind, dude? McLaren's fire. And they're actually like not as expensive as like.
Don't move.
Why can't I see?
No. Don't move. I'm iPhone 2. Come on, baby. Unable while driving. Alright, so tell them what we're doing right now.
We are currently trying to trade the car in for a different car.
Go.
Essentially, since Aaron has joined the Big Umbrella family and we like to go in family, I'm gonna get Aaron a little gift in the form of a 4-wheel vehicle. So it'll be a surprise. You guys will see it at some point. I'm not much of a talker, but let's just say it'll be a fun one. Just a little gift.
They
Of course,
said I'm
Aaron's
attached to
giving
the
me mini
Bluetooth
gifts.
right now. No, he has a gift for me apparently.
Maybe we'll get the
So-
other one. Maybe we'll get the orange one.
Wait, is this it?
It's my guy.
Oh my god.
Come on, man. You think I'm playing? Stop
Oh
playing.
my god.
Hey, before I pull in here.
Wait, are you serious?
Aaron, before I pull in
What
here for
are
you.
you doing
Aaron,
for
before
me?
I pull in here for you, don't play with me, bro. I'm one of your best friends. 10 years. Don't question me, man. You know I got you. Come on.
Oh my
Stop
god.
playing with me.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Stop fucking with me.
What are you doing right
Fucking
now?
with me. Like, I can't get you in the fucking. Come on, man. It's child's play, bro.
You're getting me this?
This is our city, dude.
Oh my god.
This big umbrella. It's a really fucking big umbrella.
Oh, holy shit.
It's massive. You see all these.
Bro, you're buying me a $200,000 car.
Classics. This guy loves classics. Loves a classic car.
You want me to tell them where we at?
No.
No.
This is personal shit. This is not for them. They don't get this.
Alright.
Let daddy, let big daddy work. Not your daddy. We brothers.
Bro, I'm freaking out right now. Wait, can I have one of these?
It's for you.
Wait, you gotta show me how to open the fucking bitch. Alright. My manager's buying me a car right now. Like, no joke. Whoa. How you doing? I'm Aaron. Nice to meet you, sir.
Nice man.
Nice to meet you. The Lamborghini?
Yeah.
Oh my god, you're getting me a Lamborghini?
Hey,
Holy-
keep it on mute, man. I don't want to ruin my surprise. Come on, man. I don't need to know what you get until we get it.
I'm sorry. I just,
Spoil all the fun.
I've never had a manager do this for me before.
You get some water? So yeah, I just want to like. Oh yeah, great. Move this in. Gee, that's my dream car. When I do something massive for you, that's the gift I want.
Can I ask you something?
That's the gift I
Can
want.
Can I ask you something though?
Yeah.
How much do they want for this one?
I don't know, but that's the gift I want from you one day.
Okay, so
Hey.
All right, I'm letting Louis take over. Hold on. He's
Get you like any time.
Wait, hold on.
I want to get you something special.
You're
But
telling
is
me-
it muted? Oh, damn it. Nah. Dude, I'm trying to get you this lamp, man. I think you look better at it, man.
An orange one?
Yeah, I told you. Come on, man. I told you you'd love it. I told you you'd fucking love this shit.
Oh my god.
I told you. Come on, dude.
Bro. Wait.
Come on.
This is an Aventador or her? This Aventador.
Yeah, baby.
Oh my god.
This is you.
What?
Yeah. This is you. Let's go. I told you, man. This is a big umbrella. You made me who I am, bro. I owe you something, right? I owe you something. Come on, dude. Come on, dude. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. Yeah, we.
The key?
Here, take a water. Take a water. Yeah, bro. Aaron. You guys think he likes it? You like your gift? Do you like your gift? Well, shit, guys. Come to Big Umbrella. I'll get you one too. No, I'm kidding. I just love Aaron Special. He's my brother. He deserves this shit. I would not be who I am or where I am without him. Or not able to grow into who I want to be without this guy. So, yeah, that's how you get a car. You swap it in and pay more money down. You think that car is worth as much as this one? Probably haven't bought one before. Trade that one in. I'll pay the difference. Put him in this. It's a gift. I hand the phone back to him. Talk to my buddy. Let me talk to my pal over here.
All right, yeah. Wow. Oh my god, it's the Huracan. It's a Huracan fucking.
What's the year of the Riviera?
1967 Buick Riviera.
This is Sonny. He loves this
Hey,
spot.
thank you.
He's like the car guy
1967,
here. My guy Chris loves him.
under 90,000 miles. The only problem that it has right now is the drive shaft fell out, but that's the only issue with it.
You have a
I
picture
put
on it by any
30,000.
chance?
I have put 30.
Tons of pictures.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I have tons.
And then we also have the Escalade 2022 as well. But yeah, I'd like to go
This is a nice car. It's only 4,000 miles on it.
Let's make it happen.
Let's make it happen.
Let's just go.
Let's just do it. Shit. My guy Chris talks you up all the time. He's done a lot of business.
Thank you, brother.
So I
Thank
brought
you for
him.
coming.
You know, you're the guy. Yeah, I know you're the guy. You've been here forever. So.
All my fans are saying rest in peace to the Riviera. I have the
Okay.
most beautiful
Yeah.
Riviera
So in the future,
you've ever seen.
Sam.
And
Yeah.
all the original
the
parts. Yeah, everything. Wow, you're paying the difference, bro?
Yeah, I'm gonna pay the difference.
Oh my
It's
God.
not too much. Your cars are worth a lot. It's not that much, bro. It's a little bit. It's a little bit. It's not like I'm buying like the whole thing. I'm not like, come on,
Oh
man.
my
It's just a little bit.
God.
You've helped me so much.
Hey,
I've
you
helped
can put that car in the Escalade in the back.
Yeah, right.
Right.
This Cheville nice.
Oh, I
You
know.
want that new.
So the GTO,
Yeah, how much?
65, 120.
Wait, 65?
65 GTO.
No,
Wait, I would do this too.
125.
I would do this too though. All right, well if we can get the Lamb, yes. If not, we're getting this.
Keep looking too. There's a lot of shit in here, dude.
I mean, no. I want the G. The G.
What about the
This
Lamb?
is a GTO. No, and six shit.
Let's see if we can
You hear that sound?
When they hear the sound,
You hear that fucking sound there?
Say what up?
Hey, what's up?
We got 200 people watching. He's selling me the Lamborghini. Open up the back. Engine? No, engine. Yep, yep. Do that. Keep going.
Stop it, that's not it.
Wow. Well, leave that up. Go hit the throttle. And this is my clothing line. See how it's orange?
Oh, wow.
That's my favorite color.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow, they have good collection here. Oh my God, this Corvette. Wait, this isn't a Corvette. Yeah, it is. Stingray. Nah, two got can I get the keys and start the GTO, please? Alright guys, I'm out. Leaving with the Lamborghini. Watch. The GTO, guys. So if I don't get the Lambo, which I am leaving with the Lambo. Oh wait. How much is the Mustang?
Oh, this one?
Yeah.
You want something to see something better?
How much is that? 67.
This is the Bullet.
Yeah.
150,000.
67, right?
Yeah, 60. Yeah, 68. Sorry.
Yeah. Okay. It's
the
68.
Bullet.
Okay. Yeah. Automatic.
Look at that, brother. Get it. You're gonna love it.
Oh. Stingray?
You got dirty.
Stingray? Corvette?
Can you wipe it down?
Is it a Corvette? Looks like.
Yeah. 67.
Oh, stick shift. Can you take all that off for me?
I'm sorry, it's dirty.
No, it's okay. I see past that.
It took us a week.
It's dusty lately.
What's the price on this right now? Price on this?
$258. $258. Alright, let's do it.
Yeah, let's do it.
Alright.
Riviera for sure too.
Oh yeah,
He's
for sure.
obsessed with it.
Okay. Both.
And he said anybody you send here and you send here, they'll say,
I want that thing on and I want the Riviera on.
okay, yeah. So,
Whoa. Bro.
come hard, bro. It's a new year. Beautiful though.
I'm careful.
Beautiful though.
You want to see that?
This is a little loose, by the way. This, look, see?
Oh,
It's a little loose.
oh, okay. That'll fix it.
Can we pull out and take it for? Can I take it for a test drive, please?
The bottom. Oh,
Yeah.
the roof is electric. Hold on, let me call it.
All right. No, I want to drive.
Yeah, hold on.
Okay, okay, okay.
Let's open that.
Okay.
Take it around the block. Take it around
Yeah,
the
I'm
block.
gonna drive.
Huh?
I'm gonna drive.
Yeah, let him drive it.
Do you wanna open the? Did you open the hood? Or
Later, after. Let him drive it.
All right, let's stop right here.
So what do you do?
Yeah, I know how to drive.
Hold on, let me pull it. for you.
My dad was a race car driver.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I wanna pull it just in front here.
Yeah. Sounds good. Transmission's good.
But the only thing is not power brake, but power steering.
Yeah, that's fine. I know. The Riviera is the same way.
Oh, you have a Riviera.
Yeah, that's the one I'm trading in with you guys.
Riviera.
The Riviera, 1967 Riviera with under 100,000 miles.
Oh,
it's
okay.
worth about 80 grand.
Let me show you my Instagram.
Yeah, and I have all the original rims, all the
Rims?
original
Oh, okay.
manifolds, everything.
That's you can shoot out Look for me. That's my Instagram. Nick for Mercedes.
There you go, guys. Alright. Let me drive this bitch. Ooh, I always wanted a GTO.
What's
I always
your
wanted a
Instagram?
GTO. What?
What's your
Aaron
Instagram?
Carter. AARON. CAARON. And then C. And then A. Right there.
This one?
Top.
This one?
Yeah. See, I have 555,000 followers. I'll follow you soon. If you sell me a car. Alright, so your job, you're gonna be filming right now since we're doing promo.
Yeah, let me open. Let me
One
take
thing
a shot behind you.
Wait. Go. Oh yeah, go.
Like this.
Alright, you gotta
Here's
film.
here.
You gotta film with that though.
Hold on.
What's up, guys?
Video.
Hey.
Go ahead, press video.
What's up,
Here's
guys?
Aaron looking at this GTO, baby.
Yeah, baby.
There you go.
Aaron Carter up in here.
There you
What's
go.
good?
Okay, let's go.
Alright, so you gotta, yeah. Alright, so you film. Alright, so guys, this is a stick shift 4-speed GTO. What year is this? 70.
That's 70. It's on the tag.
I'm usually pretty right with this stuff.
65.
Oh, it's for 65. Okay.
65 stick
So-
shift 5.0. Pontiac GTO, very rare to find.
Yeah, very rare to find.
We're here at Monza Auto in Sherman Oaks.
Huh.
Yeah, the clutch is very high. So. Maybe you're in the second and third. Be careful. I might get it. There you go.
Yeah, baby. Ooh. You said no power steering?
Yeah, that's power
Fine
steering.
with me.
Yeah. That's the first, you know.
Oh, beautiful.
Not from here, but straight. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah.
Just figuring it out.
This is the first.
But reverse is all the way up here.
Yeah.
So it's like a little. Got it.
Yeah.
This is a beautiful car. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah.
Stop sign here.
Beautiful. What's up with that SS right there?
SS, yeah, that's a Chevy Chevelle SS.
Yeah.
That's it. You can leave it there. I'll put it there. I have to back it up. That's it. You have to open the door.
Oh yeah. I got you. I got you.
No, I can't open from here. Back it up.
Oh, okay.
You can leave it there. Just leave it perfect like this. And you can leave it neutral. No, you can leave it neutral. And push it there. Yeah, that's it. That's fine. No, that's good. That's good. It's a sidewalk.
Yeah.
That's it there. No, I gotta back it up.
Oh, you gotta back it up?
Yeah. Well, back it up again. Go ahead, back it up. Because I gotta take it back.
Where do you want me to put it?
Just like this. That's it. So I can open the door. That's it. Perfect. That's it. That's it.
And I want you to open your door.
Yeah, that's fine. So you can
Great.
open your door comfortable.
Beautiful.
There you go.
Oh, the parking brake was on the whole time.
Well, actually, it's not all the way in. Oh, be careful.
No, when I was driving, the
Oh, the brake?
yeah, it was on. But that just means it has more power. It's good.
Maybe, yeah, maybe.
Well, yeah. Of course.
Yeah. Let me back that up.
You still alive?
They thought we lost you guys.
No.
You still alive?
Yeah, I'm about to do that.
I'm trying to get off.